Hello everyone, welcome back to EasyCode. I will provide you the complete career guidelines and job updates. If your aim is to get a job at Accenture, you are in the right track. Today I am breaking down every stage of hiring process, including the timeline, letter of intent, offer letter, joining letter, when you will receive a profile creation mail, and how much time Accenture will take to provide you the letter of intent, and what you have to need to do to stand out, and also give you the few tips which will help you to make a great impression at each stage. So you know very well, every candidate have faced a lot of challenges. Let me explain the hiring roadmap at Accenture. If you want to start your career journey at Accenture, you have to face these stages. First one is application and screening. Second one is online assessment. And third one is technical interview and HR interview. After that, final stage have a profile creation. After that, you will receive the letter of intent, offer letter and joining letter. Okay. So this is the roadmap of Accenture hiring process. Okay. So let me explain each and everything in details. First is in Accenture hiring process is application and screening. Fill online application on Accenture career website. When you are applying for any opportunities in Accenture, you have to focus on keyword. You have to focus on key skill related to requirement. These keywords help the system to identify your profile and good match. Before applying, you have to update your resume and mention all the key skill related to their requirements. Also, you can include your achievement in your resume. After submission of your application, Accenture recruitment team will review your resume. If your resume matches their needs, you will be shortlisted within a week. Application and screening typically take 1 to 2 weeks. So let me give you the quick tips. Double check your resume. All the key skill related to their requirements is mentioned in your resume or not. A customized resume will make a great impact. Once your resume is shortlisted, you will be in the assessment process stage. This is crucial stage. Accenture will typically invite you to take online assessment within a week of shortlisting. This is a time test, usually around 60 to 90 minutes, covering their main 3 stages. First one is cognitive assessment, cognitive and technical assessment. This section is designed to evaluate your problem solving skill and technical skill. You will have a 30 to 40 minutes time. Question will be asked from the logical reasoning to technical knowledge. It's depend on the role. Second stage is coding assessment. If you will clear the cognitive and technical assessment, Accenture will again invite you for the coding assessment. If you are applying for technical role, so definitely they will conduct the coding assessment. You can expect coding test will be 30 to 45 minutes. The coding question may be include the problem solving or algorithm based tasks, so you can practice coding challenges on LeetCode or HackerRank, generally which will take 1 to 2 weeks time. The fourth section is communication test. For certain position, especially customer support role, Accenture will include the communication assessment to test your communication skill. This test typically takes 15 to 20 minutes. You will usually get your assessment result within 3 to 5 weeks. If you had clear all the assessment, in your mind first question will like that, when I will receive the assessment result. Generally you will get your assessment result within 3 to 5 days. If you pass, you will be invited for next stage. So you will get this type of mail. Congratulations, you are now in final stage. Select an interview slot for technical interview. Technical interview depends on mainly scheduling. So once you passed all the assessment, Accenture team will be schedule your technical interview. The process usually take 1 week. It's depend on interviewer ability. Technical interview typically takes around 40 to 60 minutes. They will ask you the question. First they will ask you introduce yourself and about your skill, and they may ask have to solve some basics technical problems. They will check your basic programming knowledge. So technical interview result will be declared within a week. If you succeed that interview, next stage is HR interview. In this HR interview, they will ask the general question. Okay, let me give you some tips for the technical interview. So in the technical interview, don't just focus on problem solving, but also you can explain your thought process clear communication are the key. So if you have successfully complete all the selection process and interview and HR interview, you will receive another invitation for profile creation. Okay. Congratulations, your account on Accenture recruitment portal has been created successfully. You get this type of mail. This is the confirmation of your selection. Okay. They will provide you the portal URL and user ID. Also, you will get the another invitation. Congratulations, you have been selected to be a part of the Accenture family. Through this mail, Accenture will invite you to accept that letter of intent within 7 days. Okay. So they will also mention the some step to accept that offer letter. Log in your portal account, log into the portal with the link. Okay, you will be redirected to dashboard page. Click on my task tab and select that task assigned and download and read that letter of intent. Select the checkbox and click on submit button. Accept the letter of intent. Okay, after that, if you have any type of query, you can directly communicate with Accenture recruitment team. Okay. After the accepting of letter of intent, you will get the joining letter in between 1 to 4 weeks. So kindly you have to wait for offer letter. Offer letter will depend on the business requirement and your background verification. In the background verification, your complete educational details will be checked from the backend team. Okay, if backend verification will be completed, then you will receive the joining letter. Okay, so after that joining letter, in that joining letter, they will mention the joining date. You have to join that day. This video is all about the selection process, offer letter, joining letter, and how much time will take in each stage. Thank you for your time. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell for more job updates and career tips. Okay, thank you for your time.